The Hisense U7Q Mini LED TV is a recently launched series in India focusing on delivering a premium viewing and gaming experience at accessible price points. Here is a summary of its key features, specifications, pricing and availability. Key features: Mini LED technology provides precise backlight control, deeper blacks and brighter highlights thanks to thousands of tiny LEDs, full array local dimming. High View AI engine and intelligent processing unit that optimizes picture quality, audio performance and energy consumption in real time. The 100-inch model featured the enhanced High View AI Engine Pro for even more refined performance. Quantum Dot Colors produces over a billion shades of vivid and realistic colors. Gaming excellence: native 144Hz Game Mode Pro ensures smooth blur-free gameplay on most models. 165Hz Game Mode Ultra 100-inch model offers an even higher refresh rate with native 165Hz VRR variable refresh rate. AMD free synchronization premium for tier-free gaming sessions. Auto low latency mode ALLM and low latency MEMC. Immersive audio built-in subwoofer delivers deep bass. Dolby Atmos support for 3-dimensional sound. 2.1 channel speaker setup, 40 watt total output for 55-inch to 85-inch models, 50 watt for 100-inch model. Advanced display technologies: 4K Ultra HD 3840 into 2160 pixels resolution. AI 4K upscaler enhance lower resolution content to near 4K quality. HDR10 Plus adaptive and Dolby Vision IQ for stunning high dynamic range visuals. Filmmaker mode, AI light sensor, AI smooth motion, AI sports mode. Smart TV features: VIDAA Smart OS provides easy, fast and secure access to entertainment. Hisense promises an industry-leading 8-year update commitment for VIDAA OS. Multiple voice assistants: Google Assistant, Alexa and VIDAA voice for hands-free control. Support for 28 languages including Hindi. Pre-installed app like Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar, Prime Video, etc. Apple HomeKit AirPlay, Connect Live, Share to TV. Connectivity: 4 HDMI 2.1 ports supporting 4K at rate 144Hz or 165Hz. 2 USB ports, one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0. Dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Ethernet, digital audio out, AV input, headphone jack. Screen sizes and pricing in India: 55-inch INR 59,999, 65-inch INR 79,999, 75-inch INR 1,19,999, 85-inch INR 1,79,999, 100-inch INR 2,99,999. Availability: the Hisense U7Q Mini LED TV series is available for purchase from offline retailers, online platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart and other nearby stores. Overall impression: the Hisense U7Q series positions itself as a strong contender in the mini LED TV market, especially for gamers and movie enthusiasts looking for advanced features like high refresh rates, AI powered picture processing and immersive audio at competitive prices. While some reviews mention potential for minor blooming or haloing common with mini LED technology and off-axis viewing limitations, the overall package appears to offer significant value.